So there are lots of developers who like to listen to lofi music while developing. uh, I am not a huge fan of lofi music, but yeah, I like it. To be honest, I like it a lot. And I don't usually listen to music while coding. Like, I'm not a regular music user, my music listener, but still, I love nature sounds with lofi sounds and all, because that's why I use lofi.site a lot. Whatever. Today I have something similar like this, so let's get straight into the video and see what do we have. Okay, let's roll out the intro. So we are here today at Lofi generator, and this is basically a Lofi, seriously Lofi generator. You can generate Lofi music for your video streams, or maybe when you are chilling, and you can download those tracks. Like, it is totally generated right here. Like, how cool that would be, right? Now here are some options that we have, like drum samples that will be coming soon. His other projects, his or her. Wait. I don't know the person's name. So yeah, other musics, and about and contact, and here is the license information as well, because we have to know about the license as well, because yeah, musics are not always free, and music license are really complex, to be honest. So yeah, all music produced and distributed by Lofi generator is licensed under CC, okay, Creative Commons by 4.0. Okay, Creative Commons 4.0. This is a very open license that permits royalty free commercial and non-commercial use adaptation of this music. So great, you are good to go with it, right? Now, so I can share the music. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So wait, I let you. Yeah. Listen to this. Really great music, right? Whatever. That's about it. Like, that's the really little snippet about the music. Yeah, I don't know, like, do it all. Whatever, you can like change it anytime, just stop it and let it start again, and it will generate something else. That's great. That's really good. Now it is playing another music. If I let you listen to it, just listen to it for once. So obviously every music has a different taste, different genre. So yeah, really great, to be honest. And if you want that track, you can click on get the track. So yeah, if you want to get the track, there are three options. 20 unit tracks for $4, 100 unit tracks for $8, and 50 curated tracks for 7 less than $7. I think it's a really great deal, because why not? Usually if you want to go to buy musics in other services, it will charge you a lot, to be honest. For one, maybe for one bit it will charge you $8. So that's something you should consider. Like, I'm not a that much of lofi guy who will buy it, because I am not a audio editor at all. So yeah, that's not something for me, but it's great. Okay, so buy it for your video, maybe, or maybe you wanna remix it, buy it then, no problem at all. So that's it for this video. It's actually really another chilling zone for me. That's it. That's how I'm gonna use it, actually. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some other great websites like this where I can get some chill musics, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.